Hey guys, so we've been getting some reports of iOS 17.5.1 having some incompatibilities with XCAP Connect. So I want to go through a full demonstration here. So I have an iPhone 11 with the original battery. It is in the degraded percentile down to 74%, but we have fully upgraded the device here to 17.5.1. So what we'll do is go through a full demonstration of utilizing XCAP Connect with this iOS. So with it already being on 17.5.1, we'll go ahead and disconnect and shut this device down and begin the process of installing an XCAP Connect. So we'll remove the original battery here and we'll go ahead and connect XCAP Connect for the first time right out of the package without any original BMS. So just connecting it directly to the device and giving it a boot. We'll wait for that process to complete. We'll speed up some of these tasks through the video. And we can see here that we do have our unknown part message. So it has been triggered. So we'll go ahead and shut down the device and begin the process of connecting the original BMS to XCAP Connect. So we'll remove that XCAP Connect cell from the device and grab our original BMS. We'll go ahead and connect everything up, and with that combination completed, we'll reinstall it back into the device, connecting it to the logic board and give our device a boot once again. Now this time with the original BMS go ahead and being installed in line with the XCAP Connect Flex, you can see here that we still have a degraded percentile, but we have no more unknown part message. So we'll go ahead and we'll connect the device into 3U Tools. And we'll take notice here on our cycle count and battery health percent on 3U Tools is 0 and 100%. So just as to be expected for 17.4, the normal process is still to be completed before we utilize 3U Tools to fix battery health, but the flash is still required. So going and ticking 17.51, quick flash mode and clicking flash, we'll make sure we tick fix battery health during flash and go ahead and start that flash process. Just as we did with 17.4, nothing's changed so far. The normal process of installing XCAP Connect or XCAP BMS is still the same. Just once you utilize that normal process, there's an additional step to go ahead and flash this device. Just making sure you tick that box for fixed battery health. We can see here that the flash is completed. So we'll navigate through the original boot up process and setup for iOS. And once that's completed, we'll navigate into battery health and we see we have 100% health with XCAP Connect. Once again, we appreciate your time and patience in shopping with Gadgets as always. Thanks again. This is Brad. Have a great day.